Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo tag contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on contacts here. Alright. And here find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. And here we've got the picture and calling card, and even though I will focus on the picture, so on this one, I highly recommend to set also the calling card, so it is the incoming call background, so you can apply, for example, I don't know, a photo of the place which you've visited together, etc, etc. Sky's the limit here, but let me focus on the picture, so let's simply tap on it, and now we can choose something from our own gallery. We can also take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, because this option will open the camera app. Google Photos, we've got backed up photos, Monogram, so we can use one or two letters. We can change the background color, we can change the font. We can also use Emoji. Just tap on it, and here you can choose from different emojis that are available in this device. Moreover, you can make it monochrome, which means that your device will simply make it more icon-like. And of course, here you can also change the background color. And illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you don't feel like using Monogram, if you do not have a photo of this person, you can try to find something here. So let me choose maybe this one. Here in this step, you can change the presets, so the colors. And you can also zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.